Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the water level pressure switch in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your washer is either constantly overfilling or underfilling. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off. And now we're going to get our washer turned around. And now we're going to disconnect the hoses. So we're going to use a pair of channel locks and turn them. And you might also want to make sure you have either towels or a bucket standing by, because there will most likely still be water in your lines. Now we have to remove the 3 screws holding the top piece on, and to do that we're going to use a VT20 star bit. And now that the screws are off, we can pull the top back and then it should lift right off. So this right here is our water level pressure switch. In order to get it out, what we have to do is rotate it 90 degrees, and if you have to, just push this slightly out of the way. You don't want to bend it too much though, but once you get it rotated, you should be able to get the switch out. There we go. Now we can get it out. Just like that. So now that we've got it out, what we can do is unplug the wires here. So we're going to push down on both of those pieces right there in order to free it and pull it out. There we go. And finally, our hose right here, we just pull that off. And if you're having trouble, you give it a little bit of a twist to help out, just like what I'm doing right here, just twisting slightly. You don't want to keep twisting it and break it or damage the hose there though. And there it is. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement water level pressure switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you can put this back in however it's easier for you. For us, we're just gonna reattach it the way that we took it out. So we're attaching the hose first here, and that just pushes straight up onto there, like so. And now we're going to plug it back in. And if it doesn't go that way, it definitely goes this way. There we go. That's in. And now what we can do is, instead of turning it, all we have to do is just push it into place and it snaps in just like that. So no need to rotate it, that's just to get it out, because the hole here is a little bit wider when you turn it, so we can get those clips out. Now we'll put the top of the washer back on. So we'll slide that down and then push it forward and into place. And now we'll screw the screws back in. And now we can reattach our water hoses. Now we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and plug everything else in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.